Hi guys, it's me Albert down here at Reed. Today I'm going to be going over the PLC programs. So a lot of you guys might still have the older programs. I'm going to show you how to identify that and what the advantage is of having the new 3.1 program. Just in case you do have a hiccup or a problem, there's ways to get out of it, emergency modes. So first things first is identifying what program you currently have, and how you do that is you turn the key on. You come right here, and once it loads the screen, you're gonna see it right there, 3.1. So that means this pump has the latest program. So that means this one's gonna go. So if you have an older model where it says 2.0, 2.1, 2.2, take it to your local Reed dealer, and it literally takes them a few minutes, and they can actually plug it in and update your program. It's kind of like updating your cell phone. So first things first is a proc switch error. So let's say you're out pumping and you have a proc switch fail. If the proc switch fails closed, what you do, you're gonna throw a message that says dual proc switch error. Would you like to go into override mode? And what that does, it basically gives you a dead man switch. What the dead man switch does is, it no longer pump feature doesn't only work, but you have stroke change. Stroke change is a way to pump still without proc switches. So basically every stroke that you have to hit stroke change, release stroke change, push it again. It's not gonna be fun. You could get through a truck that way if you have to, or wash out. Let me show you what that does. So I'm gonna start the engine up, it's gonna get kind of loud. So just kind of watch what I'm doing. You're not gonna be able to hear me. So, right here, if you look right here, it says Reed already signal. I'm gonna signal A. Okay, see how that says that? What you're gonna do is hit override. And you come up here, you clear E-stop again. E-stop would have dropped. And now you do dead man switch by hitting one button. I'm pumping. All the way to the end of the stroke. Push it again. Again, it will not be fun, but you can at least get through a truck. And like I said, that is one feature this new program has. It tells you, hey, I'm broken. We want the override mode. Yes. Dead man switch is activated. Use stroke change. Finish the truck. Finish your washout. At least that way, you don't have cylinders full of mud. No one wants that. One of the big things about this new program now is the coding. If it reads you have a problem, it will ask you, do you want to take control away from the problem and put it somewhere else? And what I'm going to demonstrate is this. I'm going to simulate a break of the 2x4. By that happening, usually the 2x4 braking, you would have no radio remote function, no home, no horn, no pump on. You have nothing. You could RPM up, up and down. Other than that, you can't pump or wash out. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to unplug the 2x4. And what this is, it's simulating the 2x4 braking. So 2x4 is unplugged. As soon as the 2x4 unplugged, it will throw a message. Oh, sorry. Buttons have gone dead. Okay, there's the message. One more keypad is not detected. Load alternate controls. You could hit yes, no, or remote. If you go to remote and you have a remote, it's gonna bring your controls over to your remote. So now I could honk the horn. I could pump a whole day's concrete like this. Won't do anything. It just means it now takes everything away from this onto here. But again, once you get back to the yard at the end of the day, call your dealer, call us down here, we figure out how to diagnose, if not repair or replace. So let's say you don't have a remote. A lot of guys don't. So let's say I'm gonna start the engine up, I'm gonna let it go through this protocol, and it's gonna say, hey, 2x4 is not working. Alternate controls, and what that does is this. It's gonna go through a whole check, which is doing it now. 2x4 is still not working. So do you want to load alternate controls? Yes. So what it does, it takes all your controls away from the 2x4 and 2x6 and brings it up here. Pump on, pump off. Pump reverse, stroke change, horn, menu down. RPM up, down, volume up and down. So you have all your controls of the entire machine on your panel now. Again, not the best situation to run on, but if you have to, you can. Like I said, I'm gonna start the engine real quick and actually show you how this program works, how this actually works. So again, buttons are dead, I can't honk horn. Mostly you'll be dead in the water. But now, I come right here, F4. I have swing pressure. I can hit, pump on. I'm now pumping. I have stroke change, I have horn, I have RPM control. So again, that's why this new program is so much better than the previous programs. If you have a breakdown, you're not dead in the water. You're not gonna eat a truck. You have options. Proximity switch overrides to your push button overrides. So again, if something goes wrong, you could go to remote. You could go to alternate controls and then give us a call and figure it out instead of freaking out and just not knowing what to do. The last thing I wanna show you guys today is this. Read the code. When you have an error or a message or something go wrong on your pump, a message will throw up. That message will tell you what is wrong and how to possibly fix the problem. Like what I'm gonna do right now, I'm going to unplug a fuse, as if a fuse is blown. I just pulled a fuse, so now the machine thinks, plug this back in. The machine thinks a fuse is now blown, okay? Again, it's gonna go through its protocol list and basically take roll, asking all the components, are you there and are you working? So when I come here to the fuse and relay status, I hear horn, coil 3 is not powered and fuse 7 is blown. So again, it tells you immediately what is wrong. You can still pump like this, it's just a horn fuse. Everything still works, but you just know you need a new fuse. Now also, we here at Reed, we included right here extra fuses on the side of your fuse panel. Right here, there are fuses. These are extras. So if you blow a fuse in field, you can always just replace it instead of running out to your local auto parts store to replace it. So, again, you guys, this was kind of an overview of these new systems, the new programs, and how to read what program you have to what program you should have. A real quick breakdown of how the new override systems work. Again, if you guys have any ideas for upcoming videos, please email me, message me, or comment on my YouTube videos, and I'll be able to upload better and new videos to kind of help you guys out as much as I can. So next time, guys, Albert down here at Reed. Have a good day.